They asked for the charges to get dismissed as they were. The judge said, no, that's not happening. Now we're going to hear more about what Alan Jackson had to do and battle in court. Check this out.
In the spotlight this morning, the young man accused of killing 4 Pepperdine students in a high-speed collision is expected back in court today. And we could hear some witness testimony. Fraser Michael Bohm is charged with murder and vehicular manslaughter for allegedly speeding when he crashed into 3 parked vehicles on California's Pacific Coast Highway, killing 4 sorority sisters. The stretch of roadway is known as Dead Man's Curve. Bohm's lawyer, Alan Jackson, well known for representing Karen Reed, told the judge basically that he needed his client's bond, which is at $4 million right now. They needed it lowered. Take a listen to what the judge said.
There are many, many defendants sitting in the county jail right now who would love me to reduce their bail so they can hire Alan Jackson or other private counsel, but that's not the way it works. If Mr. Bohm cannot afford Mr. Jackson's services, he is free to find other private counsel, or he can request the appointment of the public defender if he qualifies for their services, which, despite being free, is oftentimes excellent.
So Bohm remains free on the $4 million. Today, we could hear from a mystery witness subpoenaed by the defense. You got Alan Jackson in the mix here, and you never know what to expect. This is just pre-trial. Here to discuss, criminal defense attorney Mario Gallucci's back, along with civil attorney Ben Chu. Ben, do you first hear you've got a high-powered attorney like you two guys walking into a courtroom? It makes a difference. And this is a young man, no booze. He's not, intoxicated. He stays. He doesn't flee. But he's going 100 miles an hour at one point at a 45 on PCH. Overall thoughts of the case?
Ted, I think this, obviously the consequences of Bohm's alleged conduct are just awful. 4 beautiful young girls have been killed. I think it is somewhat ameliorating that, as you point out, there's no alcohol, but the conduct to drive over 100 miles an hour in a 45 mile per hour zone, I think it's so egregious. I'm not sure the jury is going to have a whole lot of sympathy for him.
That's allegedly. Let's skip ahead and see what Alan Jackson had to say here.
He has frozen the collateral from the sale of the family home. The family had to sell their home in order to assist in the defense and try to raise money to build the defense, including experts, which we'll talk about in just a second. That collateral that came from the sale of that home has been frozen by the bond company, literally just on the issue of bail alone, because the bail is $4 million.